Welcome back, children. How are you? Hope you are all fine and safe, right? Enjoying at home while the online classes are going on, right? Okay, children, in this lesson, in the previous class, we studied about the types of plants. Yes or no? In types of plants, what we studied? We studied about the herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and the climbers. Yes, and now let's start studying about the parts of a plant. Okay, like uh, you know already that the plants has two different parts which grows under the ground and one which grows above the ground. The part of the plant which grows under the ground it's root, and which grows above the ground is shoot. And we are going to study about one part of the shoot system. Okay, that's nothing but the stem. Okay, the main part of the plant. Like each and every part is very important, and one among that it is stem. Okay, see the stem, based on the stem only, like we know that the plants are classified. Okay, and like either it may be herb, it will be very small, and shrub, then tree, or the climber, or the creeper. And this stem, no, it is a very important part of our plant, through which the water and minerals are transported to the aerial parts of the plant. Okay, of course, the root absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. Okay, and we know that for the food preparation, we need water uh, for the carbohydrate preparation, and of course, carbon dioxide will reach the plant through the stomatal opening. So, to reach the leaf, which part helps? That is nothing but the stem. Okay, stem helps in the aerial transport, that is upward transport of water and minerals. Okay, if you want to know really whether the stem does this work, what you guys do is just take a plant. Okay, and even a greens will do. Okay, any variety of greens also will do. Okay, cut the stem with the branches. Okay, one twig you take it. Okay, take a glass, a tumbler. If it is a glass tumbler, it will be good enough. Okay, fill it with water. Okay, half of the tumbler you fill it off with the water. Okay, and put this plant, the stem part of the plant, inside the water. Okay, add 2-3 drops of either blue ink or black ink or red ink, any color ink which you have, you can pour it. Since you guys are starting in the school, you'll be having blue color ink, right? Put 2-3 drops into it. Okay, leave it as such for 2-3 days. Okay, leave it as such for 2-3 days. Okay, after 2-3 days, you just take the plant outside the water. Okay, cut the stem little bit above. Okay, where the branches starts, no, from there you cut the stem, and you see what you'll find is you'll find the aerial movement of water, like that is like since you poured the color ink, whichever color ink you poured on it into the water, you'll find the movement of it in the stem. Okay, this shows that the water from the root, it is transported to the stem, and the stem help in the aerial movement of water. Okay, this upward movement only helps the plant to prepare the food. Is that clear, children? Okay, stem, it is one among the important part. Okay, when you come to the higher class, you will study the section of stem, how the tissues and the cells will be arranged. That is the xylem and phloem. Okay, and epidermis, endodermis, mesodermis. These are the layers which is present inside the stem. When you come to the higher class, you will be knowing it in detail. Okay, and this xylem and phloem, they help in the transport of water and the food which is present in the stem. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.